Detoxification, the liver always comes up. So we have a liver cleanse and restore. So our products not only clean, they also have the building blocks to restore the organ. Very, very important. Activate oxygen to the area, bring in protein building blocks, the long chain sugars that are necessary, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. So in the liver cleanse, we also have the Chancapiedra, which is for decalcification and also works on the gallbladder. And you'll find that in our kidney product as well, and also in our blood cleanse product, and also on its own. So you could use a Chancapiedra on its own with the liver cleanse, but bearing in mind there is some in the capsules in the liver cleanse as well. We use a Schisandra berry, which not only detoxifies the liver, first and second phase, but also carries the toxins out. So this product works as an overall liver detox and restore and repair product. We use it often with the gallbladder flush, which is an overnight flush with using Epsom salts, which open up the gallbladder duct, the bile duct, and the liver calcified stones or soft stones pass through overnight. So these two products are often used together to restore liver and gallbladder function. And the liver cleanse, you would take 2 capsules in the morning.